Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to criminology studies. In this video, we'll dive into essential review questions designed to sharpen your legal knowledge and investigative skills. Criminology Review Questions, Set 1A. Are you ready to challenge yourself, test your expertise, and prepare for success in your exams? Don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay updated with more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, and in-depth legal insights. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. A body of knowledge regarding crime as a social phenomenon. A. Criminal psychology. B. Criminal. C. Criminal law. D. Criminology. Absence of a complaining victim in the typology of crime is classified as public order crime or A. Crimes against person. B. Victimless crime. C. Physical crime. D. Public scandal. A crime that is committed in the shortest possible time, such as libel. A. Acquisitive crime. B. Extinctive crime. C. Seasonal crime. D. Instant crime. Are those who commit crime due to less physical stamina and less self-control. A. Criminaloid. B. Pseudo-criminals. C. Criminal by passion. D. Born criminals. A state of normlessness as proposed by Durkheim that describes France during its trying times. A. Strain theory. B. Anomie. C. Labeling theory. D. Chicago Area Project. A subdiscipline of criminology which focuses on victims of crime. A. Penology. B. Criminal psychology. C. Criminal profiling. D. Victimology. A theory that is based on utilitarian concept of free will and greatest good of the greatest number. A. Classical school. B. Free will theory. C. Deterrence theory. D. Hedonistic calculus. A type of crime in which the end result is destructive. A. Acquisitive crime. B. Extinctive crime. C. Seasonal crime. D. Static crime. A voice of reason bidding oneself to avoid evil and do good. A. Virtue. B. Value. C. Dignity. D. Conscience. It is a branch of sociology that studies the characteristics of human populations. A. Demography. B. Sociology. C. Anthropology. D. Criminology. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.